KICK Carrageenan, a manufactured product by Gusmer Enterprises. KICK Carrageenan kettle finings is an effective way to improve flocculation and clarity in the kettle and throughout the rest of the brewing process. The active ingredient in KICK Carrageenan is kappa carrageenan, a high molecular weight polysaccharide derived from red seaweed. When added near the end of the boil, kappa carrageenan binds to haze-forming proteins and other small particles and flocculates rapidly, resulting in improved wort and beer clarity. KICK Carrageenan comes in 3 variations: granular, tablets, and microtablets. KICK Carrageenan G is composed of 100% granular carrageenan. It is produced at a larger particle size to encourage easier handling and addition. KICK Carrageenan T and Micro T are composed of highly refined kappa carrageenan and produced in an easy-to-dose, odorless, and low-dust tablet format. This trial will determine the effective dose rate required when utilizing KICK Carrageenan in the kettle. Effective dose rates are typically unique to each beer style. The required materials are KICK Carrageenan, boiling wort sample, turbidimeter, hot stir plate, 250 milliliter beaker, 250 milliliter screw cap bottles, 50 milliliter screw cap tubes, 1 milliliter pipette and tips, 5 milliliter pipette and tips, optional, and ice. To prepare the carrageenan solution, bring 200 milliliters of water to a small boil using the 250 milliliter beaker. Add 1 gram of KICK Carrageenan to the beaker. If using KICK Carrageenan tablets or micro tablets, stir for 5 minutes. If using KICK Carrageenan granular, stir for 20 minutes. To prepare the samples, label a set of 250 milliliter screw cap bottles with each dose rate you wish to trial. Typical trial will consist of a control, no carrageenan added, 10 parts per million, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 parts per million for a total of 7 samples. Label a set of 50 milliliter screw cap tubes with the same dose rate information. Take a sample of boiling wort before the addition of kettle finings. Fill each 250 milliliter screw cap bottle with 200 milliliters of hot wort. Add carrageenan solution to each sample. 400 microliters is equivalent to 10 parts per million. If following the typical trial example, add 400 microliters to the 10 ppm sample, 800 microliters to the 20 ppm sample, 1.2 milliliters to the 30 ppm sample, 1.6 milliliters to the 40 ppm sample, 2 milliliters to the 50 ppm sample, and 2.4 milliliters to the 60 ppm sample. Note: if using KICK Carrageenan granular, make sure to pipette away from any solid material. Swirl samples by hand for 10 seconds and allow samples to rest for 10 minutes. Note the appearance of the hot break. Transfer 50 milliliters of clear wort from each sample to its respective 50 milliliter screw cap tube. Record the turbidity of each sample. If a turbidimeter is not available, quantitatively compare the samples by eye to determine the best clarity. Do not discard the samples. Tighten each tube cap and immerse each sample into an ice water bath for 10 minutes. Allow the samples to settle overnight. Record the amount of cold break formed. Measure the turbidity of clear wort from each sample. Note, for samples with large cold break volumes, make sure to analyze only the clear fraction. Again, if a turbidimeter is not available, qualitatively compare the samples. Determine the dose rate that provides the best clarity while only generating 10 to 15% cold break volume. This is your optimal dose rate. In our trial, 40 parts per million was the optimal dosage rate. For more information, pricing, or to arrange for a demonstration, go to gusmerenterprises.com. Click on the Find a Rep on the main menu bar, then choose the industry you're interested in and your zip code. The technical sales manager in your region will then be selected. Gusmer Enterprises, service with knowledge since 1924.